Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online whiteboard presentation or template on your Canva account. So please go to canva.com and log into your account. And then at the left panel, there is an option to click on templates. And once you click on that, just go ahead and browse online whiteboard. There you go. There you go. And you can choose among the available templates already. So for this one, I'll go ahead and choose this one. And then click on customize this template. And there you go. You can already edit this template and just go ahead and proceed with add page if you want or just save it after. I hope that this video helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.